Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to train your avatar or your replica. How you can train your avatar or replica is by giving them a command, adding facts and their behaviors and their emotions can be changed. Like how you can do it over here at the middle, you can see the option of your friend or your avatar name. Tap on it. There you can see the option of memories. For that you need to go to chats and enter what things you like. You can add the traits you want in him or her. Here you can see you have to buy the traits in order to train them. What do you want? Sassy, artistic, dreamy, logical. I will choose logical. Here you can see I have to buy it for 80 gold coin. Like this, I have enabled the trade of logical. Likewise, you can see the interest of the character. This also you have to buy whichever you like. You can choose any of it, and like that your facts, your trade, you will be training your replica avatar. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.